So Cindy, how would you like to rate finding Tesla superchargers in the greater Miami area? With Cindy, we are heading cross state in the Tesla. We are going to Florida Supercon in Miami Beach. Should be fun. We've never done like an official road trip per se in the Tesla, so we'll see how it goes. Estimating it's about a 2-hour drive, 125 miles I think it said from the get-go, so we will be supercharging on the East Coast when we get there. Alright, we're now most of the way across the alley. Been on autopilot most of the drive. I would say at least 90% of the drive, probably more than that actually. And everything's going as planned. We're at 56% battery, and we have, let's see, about 40 miles to go. It predicted that we would have about 38% battery remaining after a 125-mile trip, so we'll see how accurate that is. All right, we have arrived in Miami Beach. Battery is at 37%. It's a little lower than predicted. I think Cindy had her seat heater on, so that uses a little bit of juice. Oh, but we're here, so we will check in and let you know how the convention is.
We're parked right behind the Lincoln Mall.
Lincoln Mall.
In case we lose our way.
Whatever that is.
Here, now it's time.
Yeah.
We got some here.
Watch out, Cindy.
And you're gonna ask her the lady.
Go ahead, water.
You got to get it, put everything here, and he made all nice. Repping.
I got sunglasses and a phone.
Oh, you put your phone in one more year. And birthday. Have a nice day.
The stormtrooper's bad. I like his gun too. Thanks, bud. Super creepy. Okay.
Yes, I can see them. Amen. I don't want to get in the way.
I want to see what the signs say, like what they are, like different panels and stuff. Super cool. Cindy likes the comfy chairs.
Ooh, they're soft. Katie would love these. They kind of bounce, springy.
They kind of fall into them though.
I know, they feel good.
Good time so far. Seems like it's well organized and crowded, but not horribly crowded.
This is the best coffee.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. It means system being set up.
Stuff what?
It's old. It's has 70s. Well, no, could be 50s. It's actually 50s.
Thank you.
Oh, I was thinking reading some chemicals.
I guess he's supposed to be Doc Ock, maybe? I'm
Is that what that was? I
not
remember.
sure. I'm not sure. Okay. They even have a quiet room. Wow. I think that's supposed to be Vision from Avengers.
I don't know. And then a bucket.
Yeah.
It's a bucket. That's cool.
Oh, all right.
Sean, I'm following you.
Beautiful.
Oh wow, look at that one. The antenna or whatever you want to call it.
He's right there. Look, Spider-Man.
Oh yeah. There's the one girl there has something similar.
Right. That's right. When you pointed at her, I said Spider-Man just like her.
Well, she did. It's funny. This guy?
And the ship.
This many people? See, now it says Jason David Frank. Oh, see, this is Chris, but Chris is here. Look at that. He's awesome.
So, the hot dog.
6?
No, the helmet you ordered.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Got him. That's good.
Yeah.
I don't know. No, it's just funny. All these cosplayers are out here.
It's just a smorgasbord. I'm gonna have to tell Mike to watch the video.
I like this one. Red tentacles.
Yeah, good. I like how well they use the, like the layering. So much fun.
Someone took his hat off.
Thank you.
That one's great though.
Which is Reaper from
Oh yeah, that's good. Oh, those are great.
It is good.
Those are good.
Let's use red contacts too. She's a masculine woman. Big sword.
Do you mind if I take quick pictures?
Got a menagerie. Forrest, not Forrest, oh, that's. Okay, because it says ball holder. That's what it's mounting. Yeah. Okay, check. There you go. Okay, good. Go check, because I just want to make.
see that one. Okay. All right. Thank you. Very good. All right, we made it back to the car. I saw that there was 41 Sentry notifications, Sentry mode notifications.
Oh my gosh.
Well, it just means people were close to the car, so
Yeah, that's crazy.
I'll review them when I have a chance. So right now we are routing to the closest supercharger, which is
In
hopefully
500 feet, turn right onto Michigan Avenue.
is hopefully 3 miles away. So Cindy, how would you like to rate finding Tesla superchargers in the greater Miami area? So this is the third one that we've gone to in the map, because the first two looked like they were in parking garages that you had to pay for to charge. And this is our third one, and guess what? It's another parking garage. We had to get a parking ticket, and we were on the 3rd floor.
And this is the design district supercharger. It's in the museum parking garage, if anyone ever is down here.
So it's definitely a
challenge.
pain in the ass that you have to go through this just to
Big hemorrhoid.
park in Miami. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's charge. Just to be correct, we are in the Miami Design District. Yep. Let's see. Never been here before. Have you been to this part of Miami before or not?
Yeah.
Okay. So it said that we had 40 minutes to get up to 90% charge. So we're gonna grab some food and we'll be back. As we walked out of the garage, we noticed that it has a bunch of car shells on it. And this crazy, wacky stuff, man. It is definitely artistic. Tesla. So what do you think? Upstairs is where the food is? All right, so we just slammed down to dinner. Supercharging did not take very long. Run. Did not take very long at all, so back on the road. Here it is.
Oh, there's a peach.
Right there, it explains what it is.
I know.
Pause the video and read it yourself. Took the elevator, Cindy took the stairs. Here's what the supercharging situation looks like here. And they also have regular EV charging stations as well, so quite a few. All right, I think we're done. Should be. Bam. Now what are you doing? Okay, Cindy's looking. All right, now we get to go home. This is your home now?
No.
Cindy lives in Miami now.
No, I'm from Miami.
Oh, okay.
It's always your home where you're from.
Oh, really?
Yeah, bozo.
Okay, boo.
Wait, why do you always... What are you doing? Swerving on purpose to make me nervous?
No, I'm not. It's changing lanes. Stop sitting here.
They pulled it back.
No, it did it itself.
Jesus.
Because there's a car that's swinging out there as well.
This is nauseating.
Should be done now. All right, our journey is almost at its end.
Let's go.
It's now 8:30 at night.
Let's go.
Elsa is in the, I don't know if you can see her very well, but Elsa is in the Tesla for the first time. We're using a dog guard that I saw from the Dirty Tesla channel. Actually, they're the ones that I saw it at first.
It fits
So,
nice.
yeah, it
It
fits
fits
nice.
great.
Yeah.
It's really
So
nice.
Tesla did very well, other than us having a hassle over Miami supercharging. But that's more because we had different expectations, I guess. We
Lack
didn't,
of information.
you know, we didn't
maybe.
expect them to be all in parking garages, but that's the way it is over there.
And now we know.
Now we know. Exactly.
It's all good. And it charged super fast.
They charge
and
super fast.
It was awesome. Supercharger. Super fast.
Supercharger, super fast.
It was extreme.
Extreme. Yeah.
I'm extremely excited to go home.
So anyways, I'm not sure if you would call this a Tesla video, a cosplay video, a Supercon video. I don't know what it is, but it's a video. And if you found it enjoyable, please give it a big thumbs up. If this is your first time visiting the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're going to subscribe, you might as well hit the notify button to be notified of future videos. Feel free to leave your comments, suggestions, ideas, and thoughts below. And Cindy, do you have any words of wisdom?
Wear comfortable shoes at any Comic-Con event.
Exactly. That's all we have for you for now. Until next time, Duffman and Cindy and Elsa out.